If you're looking for a delicious meal that's high in protein, high in antioxidants, and have lots of anti-inflammatory benefits, you might want to try this chicken with mixed vegetable. It is so quick and easy to make, and I made enough for leftovers. I am eating this meal with some quinoa. Let's start by cutting up some chicken into thin slices. This is about the size that you would want. We're going to squeeze some lemon juice and add some water to wash the chicken. We all know that chicken is a great source of protein, helps to build muscles, and it has vitamins and minerals. Now the chicken is ready to add some seasoning. I'm gonna use my 21 seasoning salute. Add a generous amount of the seasoning. Next, we're gonna add a dash of oregano. Next, we're gonna add some basil seasoning. We're also gonna add some garlic powder. Next, we're gonna add some red pepper chili flakes. We're also gonna add some black pepper. Next, we're gonna add some Himalayan pink salt. And lastly, we're gonna add some sea salt. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Next, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, add about 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Garlic has antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. We're also going to use some onion. Onions have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Now we're going to add some onion pieces. Next, we're going to cut up some scallions. Add the scallion pieces to the pot. Add about half cup of water to help to cook the chicken. Cover the pot to start the cooking process. Keep monitoring the chicken every few minutes to prevent the chicken from burning. Keep adding water as needed to help the chicken to cook. We're going to use about 1/3 of a head of cabbage based on serving size. We're gonna cut the cabbage so we get some medium-sized chunks of cabbage. Cabbage is royalty among the brassica vegetable family. Cabbage has the cancer-fighting indoles and the detoxifying sulforaphane, just like kale. Cabbage has anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. Pull apart these chunks of cabbage so you get some thin strips like these. Cabbage also has vitamin A, C, K, fiber, and lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. Next, let's cut up some celery into some medium-sized pieces. Celery has lots of antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, and helps with digestion. If you're not a fan of celery, you could use broccoli instead or any other vegetable that you like. We're going to use 1 carrot and cut it up into medium-sized pieces. Carrots help with eye health, immune health, and also digestion. Carrots also has lots of antioxidants and also helps with heart health. Add the cabbage to the pot. Next, add the carrot and the celery pieces. Stir so we get everything evenly cooked. Add about ½ cup or more of water so we have plenty of gravy in this meal. Cover and let it steam for about 3 more minutes and then we're all done. This meal is ready to be served. Now put your desired amount in a bowl so we can enjoy this delicious and healthy meal. This meal is so tasty and delicious. This meal is high in protein with lots of antioxidants. I'm having this meal with some quinoa. And to help you improve your health, I have created a free natural and holistic health guide. The link is in the description. And for more healthy recipes like these, please check out my natural and holistic health course and my book at shirleenwees.com. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.